students. I hope all of you are fine today. So we will start a new chapter in science, which is acids, bases and salts. Okay students, so take out page number 71, which is the chapter number 5, acids, bases and salts. Okay students, so students, there are some common substances which are related to each other. So, and we often use in our day-to-day lives. So they are classified into acids and bases. So, how we will figure out which substances are acids and which substances are bases. So students, we can confirm the presence of acid, base or a neutral substance by using a special type of chemical which is called an indicator. Okay? So by using this chemical, we can confirm or we can predict the substance is an acidic substance or a basic substance or a neutral substance. Okay students? So students, we often taste different things throughout our day-to-day lives. So do they taste same? Obviously not. So they taste different. Okay? So some taste sweet, some taste sour or bitter and some taste salty. So students, you remember one thing, that the substance which are acids, they taste sour, and the substance which are bases in nature or which are basic in nature, they taste bitter. And there are substances which forms when acids and bases, both of them react with each other. So when acids and bases react with each other, they form a compound which is known as salts, and salts taste as salty. Okay students, so think of an example like lemonade, tamarind or an unripe mango. Okay, they taste sour as because all these substances contain acids. Okay students, and there are some substances so which are bases, that is they taste bitter. So from this we can conclude that the substances are mainly classified into three classes, that is acidic in nature, basic in nature and neutral in nature, which is salts. Okay students, so turn to page number 72. Now we will find what do you mean by acidic substances. So students, acidic substances are derived from a Latin word, that is acer. So it means sour. Okay, so students, we often use a substance to preserve the foods, that is vinegar. So in vinegar, the acid which is present, that is acetic acid. Okay, now think of the cars or think of the bikes. We often use batteries. Okay, so in those batteries there is an acidic substance is used which is sulfuric acid. Okay students, so now on the basis of the classification of their sources, acids are grouped into two, that is organic or you can say natural acids, and the second one is mineral acids. Okay students, so organic acids means these acids are found in nature, that is in plants as well as in animals. So see students, in page number 72 you can see a table. Okay, so in this table there is given as the substances which are determined or which are found in plant sources and in animal sources. See, in orange and lemon juice we can get citric acid, in grapes, tamarind, we can get tartaric acid. In citrus fruits means the fruits which contains vitamin C, and black currants, it contains ascorbic acid, and vinegar, as I have told you, in vinegar the acid is acetic acid. Okay, now think of the animal sources. So by doing vigorous exercises, our muscles produce a special acid which is called lactic acid. Okay, now ant sting, it contains formic acid which is methanoic acid, and in urine it contains uric acids. Okay students, so students, remember one thing, the organic or the natural acids are weak acids, so that's why we can consume it. Okay, we often consume orange, we often eat lemon. Okay, so these acids are not harmful for us. Alright, and these acids are soluble by adding water to it. Think of lemonade. We can make lemonade by adding lemon juice with water, and after that we drink it and it is very useful for us. Now the next is the mineral acids. The term itself says these acids are determined or are prepared from the minerals which are found in the earth's crust. Okay students, so that's why mineral acids are also called inorganic acids. That means the acids which are made in the laboratory. So these acids are made by us. So students, these acids are very harmful. We cannot consume these acids, okay, as because they are very dangerous, they are corrosive, and they can cause severe burns when they come in contact with our skin. Okay students, so the first mineral acid was discovered as nitric acid. Okay students, so it is used for cleaning gold and silver ornaments. Later, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid were discovered. Hydrochloric acid is used in cleaning kitchen sinks and bathroom sanitary wares, okay? And also students, as we have read in our earlier chapter, our stomach also produces hydrochloric acid for the completion of digestion. Okay students, so students, just note down all the things which I have written in the board. Okay students, so that's all for today. We will continue with our next class. Okay, so thank you for today.